selected uh, for the customer SD. It's giving option for the uh, next. Close the right panel and then find the arrow and find the hierarchy wise data very easily. This is a very beauty of the table that hierarchy is maintained very well, and we can analyze our data as per the hierarchy. Let's discard this story. Here it is. Now we know that how to insert the table and how to make the table as per our required dimensions. Now I have selected the story which is loading here. I have entered the 80,000. The unit will be automatically adjusted. Now I have to distribute this value among to the low level hierarchies, so then it will automatically equally divided into the low level hierarchies elements. So I have click on the distributed equally option, and now it's is showing the cell number also very well. Analytics Cloud lets you connect to live data sources easily. Go to the connections section, create a new connection like an OS for live data, and enter detail like the host, use address, username, and password. Once set up your dashboard pull real-time data, keeping everything up to date. Let's talk about the confident decision with automatic insight. SAP Analytics Cloud uses machine learning to provide automated insights. One cool feature is called Just Ask. It lets you type a question in plain language like show me a pie chart of product sales. The system So for the just ask option, I will type the sales and then it's giving me the models which I want to query. Now I will type my prompt. I have to select the entities which are stored in this model. I can use whatever the entity, whatever the dimensions I needed. I will select from the list. But now I'm writing in the natural language that please make a pie chart of of sales. Now The SAP Analytics Cloud is making pie chart as per my query. Here it is. Now it has been created the pie chart on the product category wise, and it's very im- impressive, and it very appealing that how easy I can a user can make its desired chart by using the just ask option. So the brand Heminos is 45%, the brand Sunset has been 38%, and the brand Even Better is at 13%. Also, Jumbo is on 5% of sales. Now, in this way, I have a very quick pie chart of my sales. So I can also export it. I can also reuse it. I can also copy, and then I can paste into my any story of SAC very easily. I don't have to build or separately. Let's discuss about the collaborate with ease. Collaboration is a breeze in SAP and its cloud. You can add comments to a chart or a table to share feedback. For example, right click a chart, select add comment, and type something like great data, but we can improve sales further. These comments are visible to anyone viewing the story, making teamwork seamless. You can also share stories with others. Just go to the share option, select a user like typing HE to find users starting with those letters and share the story. You can control permissions like who can view or edit, and even copy a story to customize it under your name. This makes it easy to collaborate across team, whether on desktop or mobile.